Good news versus bad news. FII's buying boosts markets amid Trump's tariff threats. This morning, there are two news, one good and one bad. The good news first, FIIs were net buyers in yesterday's trade to the tune of Rs. 1,158 crores. Interestingly, FIIs have been buyers for 2 days in a row. And now, the bad news, US President-elect Donald Trump has doubled down on his threats to raise tariffs, particularly on China, Mexico and Canada, fueling concerns over global trade tensions. So, pessimism primarily prevails, and amidst this negativity, the boost from the nomination of Scott Bessent as US Treasury Secretary also seen fading. Bottom line, the bad news of Trump's tariff threat does not even matter, as the good news of resumption of FII's buying is so good enough. Now, on the global front, all eyes will now turn to the key US inflation update, which will trickle in on Wednesday, 27th November. Meanwhile, looking ahead, this week Wall Street and the US bond markets will be closed on Thursday for Thanksgiving and wrapping up early on Friday. Long story short, bullish consolidation could be the preferred theme for the day. Market trends. Global cues are neutral. In yesterday's session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1158 crores, while DIIs sold shares to the tune of Rs 1911 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating rebound play. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,500 to 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index, has spiked towards 15.30 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th November, is at 0.94 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th November, is at 1.22. Nifty outlook, a modest improvement in risk sentiment is quite likely. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 4195. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 24,069 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,537 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,100 and 4500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 52192. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 51,700 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 52,677 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 51,805 to 800. Bias for the day is positive. Need to know. In yesterday's trade, Nifty wobbled as bullish momentum faded as traders digested BJP's stunning election performance in Maharashtra. We will now spy with one big eye if the FII scam who have sold to the tune of Rs. to 9841 crores this November look to cover their shorts. If FIIs look for short covering, then there is a bright chance that Nifty shall close comfortably above the 24,500 mark by this FANO expiry, Thursday, 28th November. Buzzing stocks. 1. NTPC Green Energy, IPO, is likely to witness a lackluster debut this Wednesday, 27th November. 2. The stock prices of Adani Group witnessed some serious selling in yesterday's trade after ratings agency Fitch places some of Adani bonds on negative watch after US bribery charges. Here are percent loss for some of the Adani Group stocks in yesterday's trade. Adani Enterprises, minus 4.65%. Adani Green, minus 7.41%. ATGL, minus 3.47%. Adani Ports, minus 3.14%. All, minus 2.45%.